Here are 5 unforgettable things you simply must try while you're in Morocco. Number 1. Eat authentic tagine. Slow cooked in clay pots, this Moroccan stew is rich in spices, tender meats and veggies. Trust me, every bite feels like a warm hug from the Sahara. Number 2. Explore the Souks. Get lost in the vibrant souks of Marrakesh or Fes. From handmade carpets to colorful spices, it's a treasure hunt of culture and chaos. And yes, bargaining is half the fun. Number 3. Ride a camel in the Sahara. Feel the magic of the desert as you ride over golden dunes. Don't miss camping under the stars. It's truly out of this world. Number 4. Sip Moroccan mint tea. Known as Berber whiskey, this sugary green tea with fresh mint is a cultural symbol. It's served with pride and always with a show. Number 5. Visit Chefchaouen, the Blue City. Walk through dreamy alleys painted in every shade of blue. It's peaceful, photogenic, and feels like stepping into a fairy tale. Morocco isn't just a destination. It's an experience for all your senses. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments.